up guys, welcome to my unboxing channel, Unbox Other Things. I got another unboxing to do. I guess this is considered to be a toy? A puzzle. Yeah, this is a puzzle. So going to open it like so. Okay. Yeah, hold on. Okay, I think for most of you, you might know what this is. It's a Rubik's Cube. And it's metallic in color. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess this is the packaging. I don't know what that means, but I think this is a GB6675 model. Here it says 3x3 cube, made in China. It's the Ezek cube, Shaolin Popeye 3 cube. This is the I got the magnetic version. Some nice holographic emblem sticker, whatever that is. Alright, gonna open this up. Oh, let's put it back. Alright, got it. Here's the cube. It says magnetic. I don't know, do I see any magnetic here? Oh, it's well, it is very metallic. That's the reason why I bought it. It looks pretty nice on camera too. Okay, this is a normal cube. Well, that is definitely mechanic. I mean, that's definitely magnetic. Because as you can see, this cube is not magnetic, right? It doesn't stay right. This one, however, it does stay pretty. But it's not as smooth as GameCube. Okay, wait, look. This is GameCube, right? See how smooth it is? I mean, it's not that bad, but if I oil it a bit, I think you'll feel so much better. Yeah. So this is the unboxing of a metallic cube. I think it's a pretty interesting product to showcase. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Comment below, subscribe to the channel. That will always help a lot and I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time.